What happens to the aluminum beverage cans we use every day? Are they simply discarded forever, or are they transformed and reintroduced into the recycling cycle in a new form? In this video, we will answer the question of what products aluminum beverage cans are transformed into in this workshop, and where these products are ultimately used. These cans, mostly made of aluminum, are fully melted in a furnace and heated to their exact melting point, turning the material completely into molten metal. The melting point of a metal like aluminum is 660 degrees Celsius, at which point the metal becomes completely molten. After melting all the aluminum pieces, the furnace is turned off, and a special layer of powder is added to help separate impurities from the material and to prevent oxidation. After preparing the molds, all of them are filled with molten aluminum. After a period of cooling, the molds are opened and the solidified aluminum is removed. These solidified aluminum pieces, which now resemble molds, are collected and ready to be transformed into any object or used as raw material for producing aluminum items. Here, these solidified aluminum pieces are used to produce aluminum wires, which have extensive applications across various industries. The aluminum pieces inside the machine are transformed into aluminum wires through high pressure and intense heat. The output obtained is then wound into 4 coils, and from here, the process moves to the next stage. Just like that, we now have a high-quality material, ready for extensive use in various applications. The produced wires are generated in large quantities, and in the final stage, they are evenly sorted, packaged, and prepared for distribution to various industries for use. The wires are carefully fed through a specialized machine, which arranges them neatly onto a spool, straightening and aligning them in an orderly manner. The wires are carefully welded by a specialized machine, then wound into a rotating spool, where they are straightened and neatly bundled. The uneven wires are carefully wound around a rotating spool in a completely orderly manner. This step is repeated once more to ensure the wires are wound precisely, straightened, and evenly coiled. If you enjoyed this type of content, you can help us by sharing the video with your friends and liking it, increasing its visibility. We would also be happy to hear your feedback on this video. Thank you and take care.
Done.